Very nice. Hi everyone, I want to share something really very cool with you. This here is the Oppo F7 with its amazing AI 2.0 technology camera. The selfie function becomes more intelligent. The Oppo F7 doesn't just take a regular selfie. It identifies gender, age, checks the skin color and background. It accurately also finds the pupil and the forehead. You know its technology can detect 296 different points to give the best possible image adjustment. This 25 megapixel AI-powered selfie camera and the new generation sensor captures a great detailed selfie under all lighting conditions. The phone's FHD Plus screen ensures the best vivid colors.
You can do what you like.
Oppo F7, my favorite selfie expert, and it's coming. All of you are invited to witness its launch together with me. Hope to see you there. The Oppo F7 25 megapixel AI-powered selfie. Capture the real you.
Oppo, selfie expert and leader.